Hey, I'm Susie Jay. I'm a stand-up comedian. I make videos for the BBC Social, and I make comedy sketches and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Today I'm updating my crusty old 2020 vision board.
Get down here!
And updating it for 2021. And I'm going to share some tips along the way on how you can make one of these yourself. Now, a lot of my goals are like comedy and YouTube related, but you should just know if you're very new to this that you can use a vision board for like anything. Health, wealth, relationships, dyeing your hair, buying shoes, I don't know. Whatever you want. So, on that note, let's go. So this is my 2020 board, and while I didn't achieve everything, I did achieve some things. Specifically, I've got a picture of this little lady. She's doing like some exercise, you know, she's like being healthy, and I drew some water and like an apple to remind me to be healthy. This is for vitamins, but I kind of went on to find that they didn't really do anything for me. And guys, like, I lost 20 pounds since January, so I mean, it was one thing that was successful. Probably gonna transfer this onto my new board. Now, I put 50 kilograms as like a goal weight. As I started losing weight, I found that for my BMI, this isn't really a healthy goal, but just having a number there really helped me stay focused. But as you can see from the rest of the board, I just really wanted to put all my love and energy into becoming a stand-up comedian. I just had my first ever gig in November in 2019. That was like a crossroad moment in my life. I was just like, wow, there's something magical about making a room of people laugh and just like helping people have a good time. And I was like, is this what I'm meant to do? Like, people have said, oh my gosh, you're so funny, like my whole life, and I'm just like, I should make a living entertaining people. But then of course, you know what happened, and all the comedy clubs closed, so a lot of these goals I just physically cannot do. Listen, it's fine. I believe all these things will manifest in their own time when they're supposed to, but for now I'm gonna shift my focus onto what I can do and what I want to do, which funnily enough leads me to my first tip. So tip number one for making a vision board: get clear and specific on what you want. This can apply to a lot of things. Like, if you want to make a specific amount of money, don't just say, oh, I want to make more money. Like, write a specific number down that feels right to you, that you can like resonate with. Or if you want to lose a specific amount of weight, you know, don't just write, I want to lose weight, you know, be specific, write a number, write something to work towards, because if you just kind of are vague, you're not really going to be able to focus in on it. So my main goal is that I want to make a living by entertaining people. Be this by making comedy sketches, doing stand-up, or making other videos on YouTube. I want to make a living entertaining people, spreading joy and laughter. That is my destiny. So I have a few examples on how I'm going to get specific on this. So one thing I've done here is I have edited a little social blade number with 1,000 subscribers on it, which I'm 380 away from, so maybe you can help me get there if you're watching this right now. Go baby, go, help me out. That's the goal. But yeah, I've photoshopped this just so that it looks really real and I can like hone in on it. Another specific point of this, I'm giving it like a date and time. I'm saying for December I will have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. So I'm getting, you know, I'm getting specific. Like, I'm not just saying, oh, I'd like more subscribers, you know, that could be like 3 or 70 or 69. I'm setting an intention out there. I'm being specific. So, you know, get clear. Give yourself something to really, for your brain to go like, oh, like, yeah. Stay focused on. Another way that I'm getting specific is, since I want to make a living entertaining, right now I have a Patreon. I have 0 patrons at the moment for now, but once I get 350 patrons that pay around £3 a month or maybe more, that'll be me making more than I do currently at my job, so that would be incredible. If you really put it into perspective, 350 people, like, it's not a lot. Like, I'm 350 people who love me and my content and my humor away from achieving a lifelong dream. So yeah, you know. By the way, if you want to donate to my Patreon, you can hop on over there and I'll put your name at the end of all of my videos and in my description box, and yeah, that'd be great. Thanks. So tip number 2, believe what you're putting out there. So I'm gonna use something that I have in my old board as an example. When I was really resonating with all of my stand-up comedy stuff and I was really in my element, I was like, I kind of mindlessly wrote that I would make over £1 million doing stand-up comedy shows. Listen, if you believe with all your heart you're gonna be a millionaire, like, you go ahead and you put that on your board. It's not that I don't feel like it won't happen, it just feels very distant right now. And at the moment, whenever I look at this, it just doesn't really give me butterflies. It doesn't make me like well up with excitement. It doesn't, like, it feels far away. So it's just kind of is like a piece of paper. You know, you want to put up stuff that makes you excited and makes you feel good. You want to like look at it and be like, yeah. Putting her on the sidelines for now. So instead I've got a new replacement for that, and in its place I'm going to put, I will make 9k a month on YouTube by entertaining people with my personality / video content weekly. I kind of got this number 9k. I've seen like a lot of people say 10k a month on YouTube. I'm just thinking like 9k, and I feel this because I was watching Kelly Stamps and she once showed her analytics and how she'd made 9,000 in 1 month. Catherine Manning, I watched her as well. She showed some statistics that she made 9 grand in a month, and I don't know why, but I just feel like I connect more with that. Like, it's so funny. It's like I don't feel 10 grand a month seems unrealistic, but 9 grand a month, I think I could do that. But that's what you're supposed to have up there, things that make you smile and feel good. And I feel like people like Kelly Stamps, she's made this money by being her funny, hilarious, genuine, fantastic self. Like, she just makes videos having fun and doing what she likes, and just really inspired me to like give this a go myself, you know. Her and Catherine Manning's. I feel good about this one. I'm putting on my vision board. She just really inspired me, and I feel a connection with this, so it's going up. Tip number 3. Don't be embarrassed or scared to dream big. So listen, your vision board is a big old square or a rectangle for you. Let me repeat that. It's for you. It's not for other people. Don't like let cynical people in your life, be that friends or family, walk by, look at your vision board and just shit all over it for you. Don't let them ruin it for you. You know, if you have a brother who walks by and he's just like, you want to be the best organ player in the world? Good luck, Sarah. I don't know why I said that. But do you know what I mean? Like, don't have someone who, like, if you have like a picture of a car and someone walks by and they're like, okay, you're gonna get a Ferrari, good luck with that. Like, you don't need that. Don't show them it. Don't let them see, okay? If you know someone's gonna be like just awful to you about it and make you like scale down what you have in it or just give up entirely, you know, don't show them that. You want to dream big. You want to like have things in there that matter to you and make you excited and feel good. If you have goals that seem a little bit out there but they resonate with you, you've got to put them on there no matter what anyone else says. Like, that is your declaration. Me making this video even down I go, can't get comfortable. Me making this video when I make a lot of sketch videos, like, I feel that it's possible a lot of people are gonna be a little bit cynical, but this is my declaration that I believe in myself, you know, and I'm gonna achieve these goals eventually, someday, maybe very soon. But it's your declaration, and don't let anyone else ruin that for you. If it makes you smile when you think about it coming true, don't let some negativity whittling on in your ear ruin it for you. Don't let anyone bring you down. I think especially I'm saying this because if there's one thing 2020 has taught me, is that life is too short and too precious to be bashful about your dreams. So I'm finally going to commit to YouTube, and I'm determined to make a living off of it. I'm not limiting myself, I'm dreaming big, so that is why I have photoshopped. So that is why I'm also going to be putting on a little photoshopped 100k subscriber play button here. I'm gonna get it. Like, that's gonna, I'm gonna hold it. Ooh, there she is, she come. I'm also putting up the names of funny YouTubers that inspire me and make me laugh. I've got things like shout out from Gus and Eddie, or collaboration with Sabrina Abelina, or a collaboration with Anna Akana, or a shout out from Auntie Donna, or like, you know, these are people that I think are funny and hilarious, or, you know, I feel like we like to make stuff with them one day. That would be neat. They inspire me. And beep bop boop. Put it up, put it on the board. Tip number 4, the layout. Now, every person's different, so do what's best for you, but I'd really recommend thinking about the layout. Some people, you know, have hundreds of pictures, some people have like 2 really spaced out aesthetically pleasing photos. Just think about the placement and stuff. Some people will kind of chop up into like career, house goals, relationship goals, divorce goals. Maybe you want a divorce, maybe you want free, I don't know. Yeah, imagine having a vision board saying divorce goals and you live with the person, they're just like, fuck you, you're an asshole. But I think a common technique is chopping it up into sections just so that you can look at it. So I might have like my little health bit and kind of career stuff and money goals, yada yada yada. A couple things that I will take from this board. I think I'm gonna leave a lot of the old stuff, like I photoshopped this ticket for the SEC. I think I'm gonna keep though just this photo of me doing stand-up for the first time, because that was really a defining moment for me. me. And maybe I'll keep this drawing I did of the armadillo in Scotland, because that's like the place to perform here. Like it's the Sydney Opera House of Scotland. It's the blah of blah. Just because I still resonate with them. You know, just shuffle it around, you know, see what works for you. Get a good kind of flow going and make sure it's something that you enjoy looking at. Tip number 5, add an I am affirmation. Writing I am is really important because it's declaring a fact, it's declaring the reality. It's not going, oh, I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers, oh, I will get this eventually. Like, you're saying I am, like it's a fact, like it's happening, you know. And listen, don't worry if the I am actually comes true or not. The idea is that you're aiming for the moon, and even if you miss the moon, you're gonna land amongst the stars. I don't want to be in the stars. I want to be in a star. So I'm putting I am making a living making fun YouTube videos. And there we have it, a beautiful vision board. So obviously this video was quite short, but you know, take time with it. Set a day aside for you to properly just get engrossed, put on some music, put on whatever makes you feel good, and just have fun. 2020, it's been awful, but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't get to chase after your dreams. Doesn't matter how out there they seem, like they're your goals, they're your passions, and you only get one life to achieve them, you know? Sorry, got pure deep there. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. I make comedy sketches and lifestyle videos, so give a little cheeky comment, like, and subscribe. It helps me out. If you want to help me out on Patreon, that would be fantastic, but no pressure either. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. Goodbye and have a damn nice day.